So if you're dreaming of owning a home, but you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed by the financial hurdles, the market, the ability to be able to purchase, you're definitely not alone. Today I'm just going to break down some of the top assistance programs that we have here in Nevada that you should know about. And trust me, with the right knowledge and support, that dream of home ownership is much closer than you think. So stay tuned, because this information could be a game changer for your home buying process or even someone that you know. So the program I'd like to share with you guys today is called Home is Possible. And there are different sectors to this program. One is Home is Possible for first-time home buyers. The second one is just Home is Possible. The third one is Home is Possible specifically for teachers. So I'll go into each one, give you a few of the requirements for that, what each program actually helps you with, and then you can determine which one works best for you. So the very first program I'd like to share with you guys is Home is Possible for first-time home buyers, and this program specifically helps you with down payment assistance. So it'll offer you up to about 4% of the total loan amount. It's usable for down payment and closing costs. So if you need help with your down payment, if you need help with just the closing costs, you can totally use this program, and you are not limited to just those funds. So if you do have a little capital and you want to contribute that money towards your closing or down payment, they can still help you with this program. There are some requirements that come with this program. One of the very first being that you must be a first-time home buyer. So you could not have owned a home within the past 3 years. There are maximum income requirements and maximum purchase price requirements. There are maximum income requirements, and there are also maximum purchase price requirements. So you cannot, your family as a household, for instance, if you're a family of 3, you can only make a certain amount of money, your income. Now the home that you purchase, it must be your primary residence. So this cannot be a home that you're using as an investment property. You can't purchase and rent it out. That won't fly with this particular program. So you must live in the home. And you also must meet standard underwriting requirements. And your maximum debt to ratio income should fall up to 50% based on the credit score and also the loan type. Okay, so what if you're like, hey, I'm not a first-time home buyer, but I still want to be able to qualify for different programs that can help me with down payment and closing costs? No problem. There is a program, hold on, I have a 3-year-old calling me in just one second. Programs. I'm not a first-time home buyer, but I do need a little bit of help with down payment assistance and closing costs. Don't worry, we got you. The second program is just called Home is Possible. So some of the benefits with Home is Possible is you can get up to 5% of the loan value and apply it towards your down payment or your closing costs. Either or. And again, you can contribute money that you already have to those and just kind of double up, give the additional money to help you with those closing costs or down payment assistance. They do have an attractive 30-year fixed interest rate, again, so it's going to be a little bit below market. There is no first-time home buyer requirement. So few of the program benefits, just to kind of keep it sweet: 5% going towards the loan value to apply to down payment or closing costs, attractive 30-year fixed interest rate, no first-time home buyer requirement, and financing is also available for manufactured homes. This again is available statewide. And you may be wondering, okay, so what are the requirements? What do I need to qualify for this program? Well, there are a few eligibility requirements. One of them being that the qualifying income cannot exceed $160,000. Your home price of the home of your choosing cannot exceed $766,550. In Nevada, there are a lot of new home builds, new construction, as well as resale with plenty of square footage where you are able to get a home, significant space, and have your family there and not exceed $766,000. Okay, so what is the debt to income ratio that they're looking for this particular program? The maximum debt ratio for government loans, and that's going to be your FHA, USDA, VA, 50%. If you have a 680 plus credit score, 45%. And then for conventional loans, they want to see 50% debt to income ratio with a 640 credit score. So the cool thing about this program is that you can own another property. And what I also know is if you don't live here yet, that's not a problem. You don't necessarily have to have a home in Nevada. You can be looking to purchase a home in Nevada and you're in Arizona or you're in LA. You can still qualify for this program. It doesn't matter. As long as you plan on purchasing a home in Nevada and you're moving within that 60 days of purchasing your home, you can qualify for this program. Again, the home buyer education course is required. That can be online, that can be in person, very short, straight to the point, sweet, there's your requirement done. Okay, one of the more exciting programs that I know about here in Nevada through Home is Possible is Home is Possible for Teachers. I think it's pretty cool because teachers basically teachers make it their life's work to educate young minds, and what Nevada wants to do to give back is to provide these opportunities for teachers to get into a home with some help. So this program is available through September 30th of 2024. So after that, I believe they're on to the next program. I would say for teachers, take advantage of this program now because this program is available through September 30th of 2024. It's a statewide program and there is no first-time home buyer requirement. So again, you can be a teacher online. You have to be a licensed full-time teacher from K through 12, public school classroom teacher in Nevada. You do not qualify if you are a private school teacher, unfortunately, but you do have to be a public school teacher in the classroom of Nevada, in the classroom of Nevada, whether it is online or in person, and that is K through 12. Second requirement, qualifying income cannot exceed $160,000, just as the Home is Possible program, and the home price you can choose. It can be a home price of your choosing up to $766,550, depending on the county that you choose to reside in. Minimum credit score across the board is 640, 680 again for manufactured homes, debt to income ratio 50%, and that's going to be based on your credit score and loan type. And you are not able, as a buyer, to purchase any other property at the time of closing. So this must be your primary residence and your only residence of your choosing at the time that you choose to purchase with this program. So it's a really cool way to give back and give teachers the opportunity to step into home ownership. And again, this can be new construction, it can be resale range. There are tons of homes, whether they're new construction or resale homes, that you'd be able to qualify within the price range of $700,000+. So these are just a few programs to kind of look into. Of course, I'm here for you. I know with Home is Possible, one of the stipulations or caveats is that you do have to work with one of their preferred lenders, and of course work with an agent who is very familiar with Home is Possible. And as you'll see on the website, you'll see the agents that are certified or accredited to help owners or home buyers with the Home is Possible program. So if you have any questions, if you need any further assistance, please feel free to reach out to me. One caveat I forgot to mention with these programs is that you do have to work with a preferred lender. So it cannot just be a lender that you've known or of your choosing. You do have to work with a preferred lender who knows the ins and outs of these programs. That is the main caveat, and of course work with an agent who is accredited to guide you through this process, and that's me, Kristin Metoyer. So I thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with a friend if it's not resonating with you, but Home is Possible. So just know that, and I look forward to working with you guys. Drop a comment, reach out with any questions. I'm here to help. Cheers.